How's it going, everybody? Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Ahmed, and in this channel I do Doctor Who and Torchwood reactions, and today I'll be reacting to Torchwood Season 2, Episode 10.
We're waiting for you.
Just in time for Halloween, actually. Yep, just in time for Halloween.
Great.
Great.
What is that?
Oh, that's the same guy from just 5 seconds ago. Whoa. That was not supposed to happen. Well, I guess he'll go too. He'll disappear. Am I gonna disappear? Oh, that is creepy. Why am I watching this? I guess Gwen's not here. She's in the honeymoon.
Sound.
He's gone to the cinema with Gwen and Owen. Some kind of
Oh,
opening night.
Gwen is
to
back?
check out. The building's got a record of rift activity, but it's been quiet for years, so...
He'd better be. He's got the film.
What film?
And what good is a cinema without the
It's a
film?
creepy guy inviting you in.
Good evening, gentlemen.
You don't even need to put it in. It'll just play by itself. Oh boy.
Oh, shit!
Oh boy. Brainwashing.
Wait.
That's Jack. That's Jack. What the hell?
Where? The film?
No. He did see him.
I'm at the bus stop, Mem.
Oh my god. I'm watching this at night and I'm... Oh boy.
Perhaps you'd like to join the show instead.
Nope.
Why
Nope.
not? You could travel with us
Nope, 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 nope.
forever.
Look, just go away, will you?
What the hell? Did he take her soul?
Like old-fashioned music played on an organ or something.
That's what I guess
There's
what
a face
Jack
looking
heard.
out at me, and there's a smell like bromine or iodine.
Like film itself.
That's like 4D movie or 5D movie.
And this is the film?
Oh my god. Is she dead? Is she like brain dead or something? I think Jack knows something. There's something that he was part of before. Maybe something in his past, but he's not telling the whole story here. Yep, that's creepy.
Sorry, we're closed.
Then keep
Do you
it
hear
closed.
me? We're closed.
Why did you open it then?
Make her cry.
You made a mistake.
You what?
I want to drink her tears.
What is wrong with you, you sadistic woman?
They came from out of the rain.
Oh,
That's how
it did
people
rain.
describe them.
It did rain early in the episode.
Jack, what are these
So
notes?
that's something.
They left a trail of damage and sorrow wherever they performed. That's right. He was reaching down to the
Oh,
organs.
that's the one who
Are you sure we brought the right
tricked the kid to take the tickets.
Positive.
So, what are we saying? That two people from a piece of film have decided to go AWOL?
Yeah.
Hey, flashbacks. Who doesn't love flashbacks?
So what?
Ghosts.
Don't be stupid.
So the Electro is
That is...
Could the Night Travelers have performed
Oh
there?
my god, if that happens, I'm gonna freak out.
Cinema killed the traveling show. Maybe this is their way of fighting back.
Taste it.
Okay, don't be weird, you guys.
Careful.
How many now?
But first we need the rest of that film.
And the rest of it is in Torchwood. So there will be a standoff. Awesome. This is exciting now. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's kids.
What happened to the parents?
They're in the same cataleptic state.
Did she say why?
Yes,
She's an old
they were
woman.
coming to steal her last breath.
Oh my god. I think that I think she's the woman
I think
from
we just found ourselves our first witness.
yeah, I think she's the one from the first scene of this episode. Yeah.
Came to the village.
We've come to see you.
Yeah, she's the lady
No
from the
one
first
comes to see
scene
you.
of the episode.
Your eyes.
She'd seen him
are older
before.
than your face.
Is that a bad thing?
Yes.
Oop.
It means you don't belong.
Oh.
Means you're from nowhere.
Oh my god. Oh my god. They're keeping them there?
I would be in his audience forever. I turned
She remembers
and ran
quite a
away
lot.
as fast as I could.
Oh, then she's not the woman from the first scene.
People went missing from the village that night.
They're gonna ask him about the film. He doesn't have it. It's with Torchwood. Uh-oh. I hope they didn't leave like a body or something inside, because that would be... Oh my god. Yeah boy, run, just run. Run for your life.
Now we have the film.
You do? I thought it was with Torchwood.
Time to bring the others.
Okay, just run, you know? Just don't stand up like that, just run.
This way, please.
Nope, run.
What if we filmed them?
A film of a film.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Then they'd be trapped. Is this thing loaded?
Is that really gonna work?
They can be got rid of in the same way.
Oh man. You should have run.
No, Jonathan!
Dad? What's happened?
Oh my god. They're gonna fill the whole thing with the bodies so they can watch them. How sick is that? This is a great episode actually. I'm really loving this. Very well done. I love it. Well, he's dead. He is dead.
Are you? There's not a breath in your poor sad body.
Yep.
You're no use to me.
Well, shoot him, please.
The flask! He's got it!
Hey, don't you freaking dare. Nice, Yanto. Okay, can you just open the flask? Oh my god.
If their breaths escape the flask, all the victims will die!
Oh my god.
Quick, we could lose him forever.
What can he do though?
Nothing we could do. They all died so
Oh
suddenly.
man.
Except this poor little soul.
Oh, it's the child. Oh, the other one died.
What is that thing?
Oh man,
Please.
why is it so dark?
Just trust me.
The other kid shouldn't have died. He's back, he's back. Aww. Yanto's getting
back.
emotional. His parents are gone. His sister's gone. Oh my god, they're back again. Again? Alright, so that was my reaction to Torchwood Season 2, Episode 10. This episode was a very good one, actually. One of my favorites in Season 2. It has nothing to do with the arc of the season, but I actually really enjoyed it. Just in time for Halloween as well. But it's not gonna help me watching this at night. I mean, one of the things that I've really enjoyed about this episode was how heavily involved Deanto was, and the amount of screen time that he's getting. I think he's one of the best characters in the show at the moment and in the season. So it was nice to see how far he has come from season 1, just being the the receptionist, I suppose, and how far he has come to being one of the most integral parts of this team. I'm guessing by the ending of this episode is that we're going to see the Night Travelers again. I'm not sure if it's going to be in the next episode or just maybe in the future in future episodes. It will be very difficult and very unfortunate for the team to deal with them, but for us, I guess, it will make for great content. So I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully they come back very soon. So overall, very great episode. I really enjoyed it, and it's probably one of my favorites of the season. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Doctor Who and Torchwood reactions like this one. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.